Here we are beginning to level the site for a 26 by 28 ranch style garage, waiting for more gravel to come. We'll get that all leveled, compacted. Then we pour an Alaskan floating slab on that, we thicken the perimeter about a foot all the way around. We put 2 rows of rebar all around the perimeter, and a mat of rebar in the center, 2 foot apart, going both directions. About 14 yards of gravel. Here we are in the excavator, getting ready to level out a load of gravel. Turn on. You have to put the safety lever down before the controls will work. This pulls the digger up. Can't really do much with one hand. Works pretty easy. So we'll level this out now. The site leveled, we put rebar down, put it 2 foot spacing, and we go both directions. We have concrete coming in about an hour. In place, we tie it down with twist ties so they don't move around. We poured half of it, running over it with a power screed to do the rough leveling. Waiting on the next truck. One load to finish. And on to the next step. So now we're coming out, we're going to check the slump of the concrete. Looks pretty good. These truck drivers are really great. They can spread a lot of it and make it easier for you.
I think that's good.
Driver can make this job so easy. You get somebody good on there. This guy's spreading it really well, so it saves a lot of work for us.